welcome to Craft Club, brought to you by the Woodstock Public Library. My name is Heather, and today we are going to be making tissue box monsters. For this project, you will need one Kleenex box, an assortment of construction paper, glue, scissors, 2 googly eyes, 2 pom-poms, and a piece of pipe cleaner cut in half. Let's get started. Begin by decorating your tissue box. You'll need to cut construction paper pieces to fit all sides of your tissue box. I've chosen not to cover the opening where the mouth is, but you can choose to add construction paper around it or decorate it however you wish. Make sure you firmly press down on the construction paper to ensure it sticks. Once all pieces are attached, continue to decorate and personalize your monster using dots and other decorations. Once your tissue box monster is decorated, it's time to add the teeth. Cut teeth to fit the opening of your tissue box. You can make them pointed, you can make them round, and you can make as many or as little as you wish. Once your teeth are ready, secure them into the opening in your tissue box. After the teeth are done, it's time to prepare your antenna eyes. Begin by gluing your pom-poms to the tops of both pipe cleaners. Press and hold them firmly to secure the glue. Once the pom-poms are attached to the pipe cleaners, add your googly eyes to the pom-poms. Your tissue box monsters are almost done. Now it's time to attach your antennas to your monster. Flip the box over and either glue or tape the antennas onto your tissue box monster's back. As you can see, I taped them in a crisscross shape. Once your antennas are attached, you have a perfectly amazing tissue box monster. Name it and share it with your friends and family. Pair this craft with the second book in the series, The Yeti Files. This book is called Monsters on the Run, written by Kevin Sherry. Monsters on the Run is about a Yeti named Blizz Richards and his band of wacky creatures. You see, everyone thinks the Loch Ness Monster is one of a kind. But that just means Nessie's lonely. And only Blizz Richards and his team of cryptozoologists, try saying that twice, can help her find a friend just like her. With a little help from a time-traveling leprechaun, the gang travels back 65 million years to the age of dinosaurs to begin a search. But little do they know of the dangers lurking. Monstrously mean dinos. Place a hold on this book and find out what happens today. Thanks for tuning in for Craft Club.